Almost a dozen witnesses took the stand today on day one of the trial of a woman charged with killing a Brentwood police officer. The state says Ashley Kroese was driving on the wrong side of the road when she crashed into Officer Destin Legeza because she was drunk. News Channel 5's Hannah McDonald is at the Williamson County Courthouse for us. Hannah, the jury saw different types of video today. What was in that video?
Yeah, they saw a bunch of video, Carrie, including dash cam video from multiple patrol cars. They saw surveillance video from the business closest to the crash. And they also saw traffic cameras showing Ashley Kroese's route to the crash scene, so just minutes leading up to that head-on collision. And it appears video will play a big part of this trial.
You see, while Officer Legeza was working the midnight shift at the Brentwood Police Department on the nights of June 17th, 2020 and the morning of June 18th, 2020, patrolling the city of Brentwood as a police officer, Miss Kroese was in downtown Franklin drinking.
That's the picture of Ashley Kroese we expect the state to paint in the next coming days. Today, prosecutor Carlin Hess, he focused mostly on the crash itself. While videos played on the projection screen, he asked first responders about the injuries sustained by both Kroese and Officer Destin Legeza. He asked about the smells at the scene. None of the witnesses said they smelled alcohol or saw evidence of drinking when they were cross-examined by defense attorney Josh Brand. The defense wants the jury to listen to all the evidence and not get hung up on the fact that Kroese's blood alcohol content was in fact double the legal limit just an hour after the crash.
The truth is, Mr. Hess is right. That night, Ms. Kroese was driving down the road. Her headlights were off. And when the accident occurred, she was in the wrong lane of travel. You're going to hear that. There's nothing we can say about it. But the question of whether Ms. Kroese is guilty of the crimes that she is charged with, the serious crimes she's charged with, the questions you will have to answer as jurors require determination of more facts and circumstances that are less clear and are more complicated.
The most serious charge that Kroese is facing is vehicular homicide, driver intoxication. She faces a number of other charges. They are lesser charges, but still pretty serious too, including vehicular homicide, reckless endangerment with the vehicle, and aggravated assault. Families for both the defendant and Officer Destin Legeza filled the courtroom today. Live at the Williamson County Courthouse, I'm Hannah McDonald, News Channel 5.